When it comes to marketing your product or service, here's where most people mess up, and I want you to be different. Most people operate from two trains of thought. Number one is they just assume this is a good idea. And so most people, whenever they're putting together a service or they're putting together a product, they just do what they think the market actually wants and what they would buy. And the problem with this is you need to actually look at what other people are selling, whether it's products or services. Literally spend a couple hours researching, going to websites, looking what other people on social media are selling, and that'll give you an idea of where the market's at. And then you can take it a step further, start going through the comments, replies, and look at the problems that people are having, what they like about it, what they don't like about it. You can start studying other people's reviews, and that will give you an idea directionally where the market's going. Now, the next problem comes down to whenever you're actually putting together, let's say, a sales page, or you're coming up with content topics, you operate from your point of view. Meaning, if you're sitting there and you're like, I wouldn't really buy something like this, or if I saw a sales page like this, I wouldn't read this and I wouldn't convince me. Well, you are not the target market. And so you need to think through the lens of, if I were in the market, if I had these pains, these desires, would I actually be interested in this? Because I was talking to a friend, probably like 8 months ago, and he was putting together a sales page. And I was like, okay, so you're not in the market, because he was selling to the older demographic. So why don't you create copy that actually targets that demographic instead of what you think is good, what you think is bad. So don't be like most people and operate through your own limited lens and actually expand your awareness of what people actually want, and then simply give it to them cheaper and better.